Hi, if you are able to use Lightroom in the proper sense, you should be able to know how to find images in the Lightroom's library module. So let's figure out what is a use case for why should you find images.
By the way, can I please request you to subscribe to this channel so that you get all the updates that we send. Also, it's a good idea to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications when we have new content.
Let's say you went to a trip like Costa Rica and you shot a lot of photographs, and you've shot toucans, mechas, you've shot reptiles, you've shot amphibians, and you want to find images which are sitting in between a catalog of 3,000 plus images. Now, the easiest way to find images is if you've actually been keywording them to actually find them later on. So also, it's important for you to keyword images to understand where this image was shot, what kind of a species it is, or let's say if you want to keyword people and call somebody Raj and call somebody Santosh and call somebody something else, you should be able to keyword them. Otherwise, you can't find these images. Let's say you're doing wedding photography and there's a new group of people who came to the dais. You want to actually keyword them in order to find this image in between a clutter of so many images. So if you use Lightroom's library filter, you can actually be going ahead and searching for what you want to find. In this case, let's take the text attribute of Lightroom where you go ahead and type, let's say, because I have keyworded some images as a toucan and I go ahead and type this, it's going to filter out images which had the keyword toucan. This is a very interesting way to find images. Now, keywords are not the only ways to find images. You can actually be able to find images in different perspectives. Let's say I want to go and find images which were shot using a 70 to 200 millimeter lens. So if you go to the metadata filter of Lightroom, it'll pick up any picture that you have actually shot using a 70-200 f2.8 kind of an equipment, and when you click on this, it's just going to simply show you a subset of images that belong to that. When you go and say none, it's going to remove all these images and it's going to show you the entire catalog without applying any filter. So likewise, you can also go ahead and filter out images in Lightroom based on attribute as well. What's an attribute? Let's say you have rated images 5-star and you want to only find 5-star images or 3-star images. You can go ahead and select the right star that you want, the appropriate star that you want to find. Let's say in my case, I want to find all my 5-star images. It's going to list a plethora of images that have actually starred as my 5-star images. Or let's say I don't want any star to be selected here. I want to actually go and find only pictures which were labeled red. It's going to show me a red color label, which is right now one image in my huge catalog of 3,000 plus images. So please use Lightroom's filter to filter out images and show you the ones you want. I actually really love to keyword my images because it not just helps you how to look at images on the catalog here, it also helps people find your images on the web when you actually go ahead and post these pictures on the internet so that Google and other search engines can actually find your images as well. Library module of Lightroom is a robust engine, and if you want to learn all this in detail, please buy the Lightroom course, especially which delves deeper into the Lightroom Classic CC and also teaches you how to handle the develop module along with the library module of Lightroom. And the link to this course is in the description below. By the way, I hope you've already subscribed to this channel, the Toehold TV. If not, please do that and also press the bell icon so that you get notifications about nuggets like these which come every week.